Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create oil painting art with OpenArt. So, join me on this creative journey. To begin, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you are already a registered user, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will find a prompt field where your artistic ideas come to life. For instance, envision crafting oil painting of a cottage near a pan, springtime. Don't hesitate to use a negative prompt for a unique twist. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, witness OpenArt weave its magic. And lo and behold, your digital art piece is complete. Click on the image to immerse yourself in its intricate details. It's as simple as that. Your imagination transforms into a vibrant masterpiece with just a prompt. Immerse yourself in limitless creativity and craft exquisite oil painting art with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.